Honeysuckle is a fragrant flowering plant from the Lonicera genus, known for its sweet-smelling tubular flowers and climbing or bushy habit. It's popular in gardens for its beauty, aroma, and ability to attract pollinators like bees and hummingbirds. So how and where should you grow honeysuckle? Well, it thrives in temperate climates, specifically USDA zones 4 through 9. It prefers full sun to partial shade and does best in moist, well-drained soil, though honestly it can tolerate various soil types. When it comes to planting, aim for spring or autumn. For climbing varieties, make sure to provide a trellis or a fence, and remember to water regularly until your plant is well established. For maintenance, prune after flowering to control the shape and encourage growth. Also keep an eye out for invasive species like Japanese honeysuckle or Lonicera japonica, which can spread pretty rapidly in the wild. Please like, share and subscribe. Now let's talk about the health benefits of honeysuckle. It's been used in traditional Chinese medicine and herbal remedies for centuries. Some of the key benefits include anti-inflammatory effects, which may reduce swelling and relieve joint pain. It also has antibacterial and antiviral properties and is often used in teas or tinctures to help combat colds, flu, sore throats, and infections. On top of that, honeysuckle is detoxifying, supporting liver function and helping to flush out toxins. It can provide digestive support by calming stomach discomfort and bloating, and it's immune boosting thanks to antioxidants that help strengthen the immune system. Let's talk about the key nutrients in honeysuckle. First up, vitamins. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that supports your immune system and skin health. Then there's vitamin A in the form of carotenoids, which helps with vision, skin regeneration, and immune defense. Honeysuckle also contains B vitamins, though only in trace amounts, but they do help with energy metabolism and cellular function. Now, moving on to minerals. Calcium is important for bones, skin healing, and nerve function. Magnesium supports muscle relaxation, skin hydration, and mood. Potassium helps maintain fluid balance and supports both heart and skin health. And there's zinc in trace amounts, which is vital for immune defense, skin repair, and inflammation control. Besides vitamins and minerals, honeysuckle contains other key plant compounds that, honestly, can be even more potent. There's chlorogenic acid, which acts as an antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and even has antiviral properties. Flavonoids like luteolin and quercetin help fight oxidative stress and inflammation. Saponins are also present, supporting detoxification and possibly offering antimicrobial benefits. And let's not forget about iridoids, which contribute to honeysuckle's pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory actions. Honeysuckle offers some impressive skincare benefits. It's anti-inflammatory, so it helps calm irritated skin, eczema, and rosacea. With its antioxidants, it fights premature aging and protects your skin from environmental damage. Plus, it's antibacterial, which is why it's used in toners, creams, and cleansers to help with acne-prone skin. And it's soothing, often added to sensitive skin formulations to reduce redness and support healing. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.